Alright guys, here's our video of Mr. Lee's dishwasher. It's a Kenmore Quiet Guard.
Well, if I get through this month, I am getting ready as soon as practical
Yep.
to move.
To Florida?
Yep. It's never been used.
I think go through this hurricane.
Yep. Let's see. Yep, it's a Quiet Guard. Making sure I can remember what name it is.
Whatever. I want to get 2 of those long boxes, like the ones that's in my bedroom.
You get that noise in the background. That's the the compressor.
Okay.
I want to get 2 of them because I'm gonna take all that stuff.
It's a great dishwasher,
And put,
but it has a little issues with the draining the water out. The maintenance guy is gonna come in this week and help me with the thing.
Down the road, but it has a nice gym, has cafeteria, has Friday night has
Karaoke?
has a bar, and that bar has they do karaoke on Friday night. And there's something to do, and people around, you know.
What place is that?
That's the one on the left-hand side, going off, Veterans Home on the left-hand side, the very business.
In Biloxi?
No, going to Biloxi now. The Beach Boulevard, it's on the left-hand side.
Okay.
The great big facility.
Well, now that you have Medicaid
Heavy.
Part B, it probably will help you pay for it.
I moved here again when I was here in '02 and decided to come back in '06. I came here because the outpatient clinic was right there where that home is now. And when I got here, the next day I went down and
Great dishwasher.
and it wasn't no longer there. So
Right.
there again, doing things without checking. If I'd have been down, the one downtown. Back I was already moved into it. I started, and then I came out here for the convenience of having that outpatient clinic right down the street, 15-minute drive.
What's your social security again?
267. I ordered bread and butter pickles for lunch. And if I'd have swallowed a debt charge, it would have been any worse. It would have upset my stomach. But I love the taste of the jam.
Of bread and butter pickles?
Yeah. I was going to go down to Bay St. Louis to the Popeyes and get me a nice chicken sandwich. Go sit out in the park there and eat lunch. And I got in, after I got in the truck, I didn't feel right. I felt funny. My truck's out there, you see it? He fixed it one day for me.
Awesome.
Isn't that something? One thing nice to do that?
Very.
But it's been repaired. I don't want to leave Long Beach area, but it all depends on whether that vaccine comes out and the doctors will replace this knee. Just depends. But I've got to get off this coast. I got this, all through September now, you know. Peaks right now. Who is that? Oh, you got my phone?
Hello? Yes, he is right here. I'm gonna put you on speakerphone. He's not very good on the phone. Okay, so hold on. Let's see, speaker. Okay, here he is.
Hello. This is who?
You can't hear her?
What's she saying?
Okay,
What you want to know?
okay, yeah, hold on. This is, let me see if I can figure out how to turn. Okay, call volume high. All right, this is Mariah, right? And she does the home evals with the VA.
Yeah,
Okay.
and they sent the person out here today.
Go ahead. He said you sent somebody out to him today. No, different people, Mr. Lee. Okay, so what is this?
Okay, so, this is in regards to any kind of equipment you may need. Dr. McElroy sent me a consult.
This is in regards to any equipment that you might need.
Bathtub,
He needs a walk-in bathtub.
I can't.
He says he can't get in and out of the bath. He's afraid to take a bath lately.
Okay, is that the only thing that this order is in regards to?
Is that the only thing that you need, or are there other things that you need?
I may need another knee brace, that was more modern than I have.
He said he would like a more modern and stable knee brace.
I, can't get you knee braces. This is especially geared for healthy, not equipment body.
Did you hear what she said?
Hmm.
She said she is in charge of home needs, not body needs.
Okay, yeah, okay.
So
Well, the only thing that I'd love to have if possible is a walk-in tub so I can take a bath. I'm scared to death I'm gonna fall.
Okay, did you hear that?
I did hear that. Ma'am, like, seriously?
I'm his caretaker. I'm not family.
Okay. I just wanted to, if y'all have time, there's no point in you scheduling this out further. If all that's needed, but especially while I have you on the phone, also ma'am, because you're doing so much back work, I'd like to go ahead and get this taken care of now, if at all possible. My understanding is that he wants to initiate the HIPAA grant, which is a grant that has a range of $2,000 on the low end and $6,800 on the high end. To receive that grant money is done by cosmetics and it's based on service connection. So
Okay.
people receive about typically the higher end of $6,800 on that grant.
Okay, so if I understand you correctly, you are going to initiate his getting a $6,800 loan, or not loan, grant, in order for him to get his walk-in bathtub.
Correct.
Well, they put it in an apartment house.
I don't think that is up to them. What they do, if I say something incorrect, Mariah, let me know. What they're going to do is they're going to give you the grant,
Yeah,
and then you'll have to discuss it with the apartment complex.
yeah.
Is that correct, Mariah, about installing the walk-in tub?
Yes, but what will happen is I will initiate him receiving the paperwork package to apply for the grant, and then he'll have to take it up with his department for the actual modification.
Okay, this is a a 90-year-old guy. You're gonna send him an application? He can't even write. They're gonna send you an application to fill out.
I can't even use that phone.
I know, I just told her that. I guess I can. Like I said, I'm just a family friend. He doesn't have any family that lives here, but yeah, go ahead and send it to him. I'll help him fill it out. Is it really long?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, go ahead and send that.
Now, before I did anything, if I were y'all, I would give you the apartment.
You've already talked to the apartment manager, right?
Yes, I have.
And what did they say?
Well, they didn't, she said, when the VA moves on, then we will talk about it more.
Okay, all right. I'll make sure that we open up lines of communication with the apartment complex. But go ahead and send the paperwork.
Now, I did want to, in case there is some problems, there's been forward in terms of conversion of the tub shower combo to a walk-in shower. There is what's called a tub bench, and it's got two legs there, the bathtub, and two legs outside.
You have a tub bench already, don't you?
A what?
A bathtub bench? Don't you have one of those?
I got a little chair.
Yeah, he's got one of those. I know.
Yeah.
I bought it for him at the surgical supply store. I think, he's 90. He has a knee that barely holds him up and gives out from time to time. And so I think that the walk-in would be our best bet. Because he's already got the shower bench.
No, it's been getting in and out of the tub over the high.
He says it's getting in and out over the high edge of the tub that is hard for him.
Yes, I understand. That's why I was trying to explain that the tub bench has two legs inside the tub and two legs outside of the tub. So you would be able to push it behind on the outside of the tub and then scoot across seated.
Okay, I will explain that to him. This is a different type of bench, Mr. Lee. It has two legs on the outside of the tub and then two legs on the inside of the tub. So you can sit on it while you're outside and then lift your legs over the side while you're seated.
Okay, that'll help, probably.
Okay, he said that'll help probably.
I have to see it, the configuration.
He said he'd have to see the configuration.
Okay, may I send a picture or the cell phone number?
This is a cell phone from 1936. So can you send it? Can you send it to my cell phone? Are you allowed to do that? Or can you email him a picture? Can you email it to him? I have him set up with an email.
Oh, okay, hold on just a second, I'll do it right now.
Okay.
I think it's the tub bench, the reason why I'm going down this path is if the tub bench works, then you don't even have to go through all the bother of the remodel.
She said if the tub bench works, then you won't have to go through all the trouble of having someone come and remodel your bathroom. Okay.
I have a way to get in out of that bathtub.
Yeah, he says if he has a way to get in and out of the bathtub, that's all he really needs.
And so you know, he would, if he decides this isn't a route, I just want to give you a heads up because it sounds to me like you're a family friend, but there is
Uh-huh.